The end of the year is fast approaching, your holiday shopping is done, and the mutual fund you help manage is paying out some serious bonuses. What do you do with all that sweet cash? Well, if it's over 7 figures, we suggest hanging on to it until January, when it could help you buy this amazing 1954 Jaguar D-Type race car. The D-Type, for those of you unfamiliar, is Jaguar's famous race car that gave birth to the road-going XKSS, one of which was owned by Steve McQueen. The D-Type was known for its successes on the track, and frequent appearances at Le Mans, with a victory at the endurance race in 1956. This particular car also raced there in 1954 with the Jaguar factory team, and behind the wheel was Sir Sterling Moss. According to RM Sotheby's, it led the race for a major chunk, but eventually retired due to brake issues. The car was campaigned at other events through the, and it also saw time at the hands of a privateer team that bought the car in 1955.